Applications of force and pressure. Objective: to learn about applications of force and pressure. Applications involving high pressure. Watch these salad leaves being cut. Observe the cutting edge of the knife carefully. The surface area of its cutting edge is very small, and as a result, its contact area with the salad leaves is reduced. Because the contact area is small, the knife exerts a large pressure with a comparatively small force. As a result of this, the vegetables get cut easily. Nails, needle and pins have very sharp ends with very small surface area. Here, when force is applied on the head of the nail, the force gets transferred to its tip. Since the tip has a small surface area than the head, the effect of the force is more here. As a result, it's easy to hammer in the nail. Another example is football players' boots. Observe the studs on this boot. The surface area of each stud being small, the contact area with the ground is small too. Due to this, the pressure under the studs is high, causing the studs to sink into the ground, thus giving the player a strong grip on the ground. Here's another example, that of a tank. Its many wheels are enclosed in a two set of broad chains that increase the area of contact with the ground. This helps to uniformly distribute the weight of the tank over a large area, thus preventing it from sinking into the soft soil. Here is a woman who is finding it difficult to run on sand as her shoes keep sinking into the sand. This is because of the small area of women's shoes, which sink into the sand easily. Now observe this camel on the sand. It is able to move fast on the sand because it has a flat and broad feet. The camel's broad feet have a large area of contact with the sand, reducing the pressure exerted by it on the sand. As a result, its feet sink very little in the sand and is able to move fast. To summarize, a knife has a very small surface area on its cutting edge, and because a smaller area exerts greater pressure even with a small force, the knife is able to cut easily. For the same reason, nails, needle and pins have very sharp ends. Tanks have chains which have a large surface area, and hence its contact with the ground is more, resulting in less pressure area. Similarly, camel have a broad feet and as a result exert less pressure on the sand.